Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got a parcel and we'll get into this and have a look. It has two little parcels inside it. I have opened them, I've not looked at them, so we'll open them one by one and see what we've got. So let's have a look. This one seems the heaviest, so we'll have a look at this one first. Ooh, that is heavy. Goodness me, see what this one is. Okay, hope everybody's doing okay. Right, so we've got a double-sided tape that has got very, very squished. My goodness. That's, ooh, and it is very squished on the back as well. Look at that. Ooh, okay. So, oh, that's the picture of what it is. So I know what it is now. Okay. And we've got a toolkit, but this just looks a bit, oh dear. This has been through the wars. It's a nice soft canvas actually, a very soft canvas. But we have quite a few folds and quite a few. Let's just flatten it down a little bit. This is the trouble with double-sided tape. It can cause creases and bubbles and make it hard to put your drills onto your canvas because you've got a creased up sticky area. Let me just see if we can just lift this up a little bit and then let it relax. Oh, is this all in one piece? Now that'll be a bonus if it is, because a lot of the ones I've had recently have been in two and even more have been in three pieces, and you do get lines. So let's have a look at this. This is, would you believe, a Scottie Dog. And oh, look at that little face. It's all in like different colours. Sorry, it's making the camera go a little bit funny. Let me just see if I can move it without sticking it to myself and show you it. There you are. So that is a lovely little Scottie Dog. I'm not going to take this off fully, but if I can just get it off. Gosh, it's really sticky and the edge goes really, really far over the edge. Oh, this looks gorgeous. I do like my Scottie paintings. This one will go on my Scottie wall once it's done. Let's see if I can get this flattened down without getting any more air bubbles in it. No, that's going to put some more in it. It's not too bad. If you do get air bubbles, you can use a craft knife or your tweezers. You can just poke the bubbles and it will just take the air out of them. Let me just see if I can see. Yeah, there's a few sort of like where the glue or the double-sided tape is sort of rooked up on itself. It does make it harder to put the drills on and make them lie flat. You can end up getting popping drills because they don't line up properly, because they're not sitting flat on the canvas. Let me just see if I can use one of my trays. Let's just use this just to flatten this out a little bit. So once you've unrolled a double-sided tape canvas, and the double-sided tape ones tend to always come with a cover that you can't see through. That's the general rule of thumb. Sometimes you will find that the clear covers can be can be double-sided tape as well. But yeah, just take this off gently. But on the whole, anything that has a cover that is like this, like the wax paper, is double-sided tape. And all it is, it's like sticky tape. It's just basically like a great big piece of double-sided sticky tape. I do like the fact that this one, sorry, I hope you can still hear me over the noise while I'm flattening this out. I do like the fact that this one has come in one great big piece, because that prevents getting like lines down where the tape joins. It is just one big piece of tape, so that's really good. It is a little bit icky on the back, but I think you can see now, although we can see slightly where it has been rolled around the drills, the lines going this way more, because I've taken the top cover off and flattened it. They have come out quite a bit. So I think we're going to be okay with this one. And yeah, I think that one's going to come out really well. And it will be going into my stash to be done as soon as possible. So, did we get an inventory sheet? Yes, we did. So I won't bother counting the colours on there. We've got a little teeny tiny thumbnail there of the picture. And then, what have we got? We've got DMC codes on the canvas. And then we've got the letters and everything going down. Yeah. So let's have a look at the inventory sheet. I think this will show me a little bit more. Get into these drills. I'm not going to take them all out because they are all ready bagged for me. Oh, look at those colours. This is definitely going to be a happy painting because it's got lots of hot pink, lots of really happy colours in it. I don't know about you, and I know I've said it before, but I do tend to smile and feel happier when I'm doing a painting that's got lots of nice bright colours in it. Bright makes me smile. Okay, so this is our inventory sheet with our little thumbnail Scottie Dog there. And it's 29 colours. Okay, so it's telling us, oops, other than 939, which is 4,896 drills that we've got. Looks like there's about 1,000 154s, which we do get a lot of those. And there is no 310 in this. So it's amazing how many, mind you, this is sort of like a rainbow coloured Scottie Dog, but it's amazing how many animal pictures you get which don't have 310 in, which you would think would predominantly be one of the colours for an animal painting. So yeah, oh, loving this. And are we round or square? Are we round or square? Yeah, we're squares. So that's another reason to try and keep your canvas as flat as possible, and stop it from getting, you know, any rivers, bubbles, bits that are stuck together, because you do need squares to lie flat. Rounds tend to be a little bit more forgiving. They will go into a gap, although you can get popping rounds. You tend to find that it happens more with a square. But yeah, I love those colours. So that's going to be a really good one to do. I'll put this sheet back in with the drills, and I'll get these labelled up when I've finished. Okay, and we'll have a look at the next picture. Setting that one down. So that's that one. The Scottie Dog cost me £6.83. I didn't use any coupons or anything on that one. I did just spot that one and think, oh, that's the Scottie Dog one I've not got. So I did get that one. Right, this next one, again, I didn't use any coupons on, but it was on special offer. Oh my goodness. Oh heck. This one is a special drill diamond painting, a flower animal, it says, and it cost me £3.60, and I just couldn't resist it. Possibly it wasn't the wisest thing to do to order this one with the Scottie. There could have been some ructions in the back there. This one is, oops, this one. Look at that. Look, it's a muscat. And we have 2 budgerigars and a butterfly and a little guinea pig with a necklace on. How cute is that? I just absolutely fell in love with it when I saw it. It's just so different from anything I've seen before. But look at the guinea pig. We've had guinea pigs. I've had a guinea pig. Oh, there's another budgie there, look. So we've got 3 budgerigars, or parakeets, whatever you call them. But yeah, look, they definitely look like budgerigars to me. But yeah, putting a cat in a bag with a Scottie Dog possibly wasn't the best idea to do, but they've come all in one piece. Just kidding, sorry, just my sense of humour. But yeah, this is gorgeous. So you don't very often see guinea pigs on diamond paintings, and I just thought it was such fun, so florally, so bright and colourful. I must have definitely been in a bright and colourful mood when I did this, because this is quite rainbowy colours as well. So we have a rainbow Scottie and a rainbow cat. Okay, there you are. That's the cap. Look at the eyes and everything on there. Let's have a look at these drills. Okay, that's the toolkit. Oh, I didn't show you the toolkit, did I, that came with the Scottie? I'll have a look at that in a second. I bet you're all shouting, you didn't show us the toolkit. You know me, if it can go wrong, it'll go wrong. Yes, so that's just your very basic toolkit there. Okay, and then these are their drills, and they're all special drills. This one will definitely go to the top of my list for smashing the specials for February. It's a really cutie one to do. We've got ABs and diamonds and goodness knows what in this. What have we got? We've got 13 different gems. Actually, that's not a lot. I expected there would be more because there is so many different colours on this. But yeah, oh, that little guinea pig. I just love the fact that it's got a necklace on. Yeah, I didn't see this little birdie here hiding. Must be a very well behaved pussycat, because they do tend to chase little animals and birds, don't they? And butterflies even. But this one looks like it's well behaved and it's smiling and they all look friends. So what can I say? In Liz world, they're all friends. Okay, so we've got your little AB coated blues there, like a nice deep blue. And a silver gem, a hot pink. Standard gems, and a nice yellowy gold, and a green, a nice bottle green colour, a purple, and a darker gold, and a lovely like sea blue colour. It's gorgeous. And then we've got some larger round faceted like AB coated silver, so we've got like blue and purple and everything, real oil and water those. We've got some of your half pearls in round. Oh, and a large one, look, that's there. That's escaped into the smaller part. And then some more rounds in there, more of a pinky reddy AB coated. And some teardrops, silver AB coated teardrops. And then your owl's feet, which are your orange coated teardrops there. So some lovely colours. I must admit, there doesn't really look as though there is enough colours to do that painting, but I suppose, yeah, there's not much done on the guinea pig. But I like the background. It is a white background, but I do like the fact that we've got flowers and things on. Are the flowers sticky? Let me have a look. I don't think they are. No, right, no. So we're not doing these flowers. Is this butterfly? No. So, oh, that's a shame. I might put some more. I've got quite a few gems actually spare. So I think I will quite possibly fill these in. Put some of my Craft Buddy magic glue on these to make this sticky. And put some gems on these. That's why there's not as many gems as I thought, because the background little pictures aren't diamond painted. Ah, that makes a bit more sense. So it is just the cat and the birds and the guinea pig that have got the gems on them. Right, yeah, I've got so many leftover gems from Christmas. I'm definitely going to add gems onto these flowers and things, if not just the middles, onto some of the bits as well. But I've definitely got teardrop shapes that will fill that butterfly up, and possibly that one as well. I've got some little heart shapes that might go on that one. Yeah, I mean, the pictures are yours. You can do them as you like, and just do it, or just do it as it comes, you know, just follow whatever it says on the little packets. But I must admit, I've got to a point now where I do tend to like playing about, and I have got so many gems I want to use up that I do want to get this one done. So that's your little puss cat one. We'll just quickly go back to our Scottie, and I will show you the toolkit. So this is the Scottie one. It was a little bit better than a basic toolkit, this one. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. That's not good, is it? We have, okay, so these are the new, oh, and it actually says on them, so these are the new thinner multi-placers. That one is a 10 multi-placer, and I know that, as I say, because it says on it. and that one is a 4 multiplacer, and that says on it as well. And they're the clear pens, which I do like to fill them with gems, just makes them a little bit more sparkly. It actually makes them a little bit heavier as well, because I find these very light and I am quite a heavy presser. So yeah, that's your pens. You've got your little white flat bottomed boat, a bit of squished red wax there, and what's that, about 10 of your little grip seal bags. So one up from a basic toolkit, that one, quite like that one, but they were from different shops. They've just come in the same bag. So that is those. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Any comments or questions that you've got, if you pop them in the comments down below, and if you want to come back and see these possibly finished and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button in the corner and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified of all the videos that come out that I put up. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.